This is the AI News Flash for June 1st, 8 p.m. UTC. First up, Amazon's stake in Anthropic has soared more than ninefold, from an initial $8 billion to $74 billion, according to Business Insider. The jump follows Anthropic confidentially filing for an initial public offering in the United States. The company's valuation is expected to reach the $1 trillion range, handing Amazon one of the largest investment returns in its history. Amazon is both a major investor in Anthropic and through AWS, a provider of its computing infrastructure. This tightly integrated cloud and AI partnership generated the massive paper gains. Anthropic's IPO filing, ahead of rival OpenAI, marks a key test of whether the AI industry can prove its ability to monetize in the public markets. Next, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said people are right to be anxious about AI. Speaking at an event marking the expansion of the Stargate project into Michigan, CNBC reports, Stargate is one of the largest AI infrastructure buildouts in history, totaling some $500 billion. A new data center site in Michigan was unveiled at the event. Rather than pure optimism, Altman directly acknowledged public concerns over the impact of AI on jobs and society. Amid a capital spending boom, in which four major hyperscalers are investing a combined $725 billion, having an industry leader admit to the social risks is drawing attention. The third, Goldman Sachs' top bankers are now consumed around the clock by AI data center deals, Bloomberg reports. Driven by the AI infrastructure boom, related financial deals are exploding, from data center construction financing to mergers and acquisitions and massive bond issues. The report highlights how AI infrastructure has rapidly become the single most important revenue area for Wall Street's largest investment bank. It is a striking sign that the AI boom is structurally reshaping not just chips and software, but the core business of the financial industry itself. Fourth, U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren has called on the Trump administration to close a loophole that allows AI chips to flow to overseas units of Chinese firms. Current export controls target mainland China, but a loophole remains in which advanced NVIDIA AI chips can be sourced through overseas subsidiaries in places like Singapore and the Middle East. Warren warned that this circumvention route poses a serious national security risk and demanded an immediate tightening of the rules. The move signals that the U.S.-China battle for AI chip supremacy has entered a new phase focused on shutting down workaround routes. And finally, as the Pentagon pushes to bring AI to the battlefield, some military leaders are urging caution, according to Federal News Network. AI technology is advancing rapidly in areas like target selection and decision support for commanders, but there are concerns that AI misjudgments could sow chaos on the battlefield. Voices within the military are stressing the importance of the principle that humans must retain absolute final decision-making authority. As the defense AI market takes off in earnest, the question of how to govern its deployment is once again coming to the fore. That's all for this AI News Flash.